Hi everyone, in this video I will meal prep a healthy breakfast, lunch and snack which provides at least 100 grams of protein per day. For breakfast I make overnight oats with fruits and chocolate on top. First I put 1 scoop of oats in the glasses. Then I add the same amount of protein powder and 100 milliliters of milk each. I mix these ingredients together and start adding the fruits. I use redcurrants and bananas, but you can replace them with any fruit you like. After stirring everything, I pour melted chocolate on top and spread it. I usually make these oats a day before and leave them in the fridge overnight, but for the chocolate it's enough to take around half an hour to get hard. This is a quick and tasty recipe, perfect for breakfast and snacks, or when you just want something sweet but healthy. For lunch, I make a Big Mac salad. It's low in calories because I only use vegetables, low-fat beef and light dressing. It has good macros and nutrients and only requires a few ingredients. First, I cut one of the onions that I will use for the meat. I start to fry the onion in a pan, add the beef, salt and pepper. I cook this together until the meat is browned. Then I prepare the salad. For this I need 1 lettuce, 1 onion and a few pieces of pickles. I cut the lettuce into small pieces and do the same with the onion and the pickles. Then I place all the ingredients in a bowl, starting with the lettuce, after the onion, the cooked meat and the pickles. I pour the dressing on it, which is light ketchup, light mayonnaise and mustard. I like to add the sauces separately, but if you prefer, you can mix them together and pour them on at once. Lastly, I use light cheese on top. It's a very easy recipe and in my opinion it absolutely gives the flavor of a Big Mac. For a snack, I make high-protein muffins. I love this recipe because I can make 3 or more different flavored snacks at once. First, I put the oats, Greek yogurt, milk, baking powder, vanilla and protein powder into a blender. This quantity will be enough for 6 large or 7 smaller pieces. After mixing, I pour the muffin batter base into muffin papers. Then I add the topping, which in my case is raspberries, dark chocolate pieces and bananas. As a last step, I put the muffins in the oven and bake them for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. So this was today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you in the next video.